As you might already know, I love coffee. This week, I was lucky enough to do a sponsored stream with Many World Taverns, who produce amazing coffee and tea. To help show my love for their coffee, I decided I'd do a brew along video. They sent me 2 different coffees to try. The Dragon's Nest, which is a lighter roast, and the Treasured Realms Single Origin series for April. The 2 loose leaf teas they sent me were Verdant Harbor, which is a jasmine green tea, and Sacred Spring, which is a cinnamon hibiscus plum tea. All of the art on their packaging is adorable, and the same thing goes for their tokens. These Magic the Gathering compatible tokens feature a ton of different creature types, and they're all depicted as cats. They're adorable. Without further ado, let's get into the brew. This is a medium light roast, which I am going to be making in a pour over. You can see right there, I've got my cup set up with a filter, and I'm going to be making about 3 tablespoons of beans. It's not a tiny mug, so I'm going to grind that up. Don't worry, I muted the grinding, and we're going to put that in there. You can see I did a kind of medium grind. Looking good. And now it's time to wet the beans. Just getting a splash of pretty hot water. It's not quite boiling. Waiting about 10 seconds and adding a bit more water. This is where we really start the brewing. And I did a time skip here, waiting about 30 seconds for a bit more water. Ooh, look at that nice pour right there. And as it drips through, it's starting to smell real nice in here. So we'll go for the final pour. Yeah, I know, the magic of editing makes it look like I just brewed a cup of coffee in under 20 seconds. Cheers! I'm also going to be brewing a bit of the Sacred Spring. That's the hibiscus cinnamon plum brew, which is delightfully aromatic and tastes delicious. I'm going to put in a couple teaspoons worth of the loose leaf and pour some just below boiling hot water in there. It's about as hot as I can get it in that kettle, and wait 4 minutes. And now it's time for tea. Thank you again so much to Magic World's Taverns for sponsoring my stream and for sending me so much of their amazing drinks. I have to say, all of the coffee I've tried from them and all of the teas have been wonderful. Also, as a fan of cats, I have to say their branding is on point. If you'd like to try it for yourself, you can use the discount code Amazonian or use the link in the description of this video to get a 10% discount. Whether you're looking for coffee for game night or tea for tabletop, you can't go wrong with Many Worlds Tavern. By the way, they didn't ask me to make this video. This isn't a sponsored video. I just really like their coffee.